Once upon a time, a lion and a tiger were best friends. They lived happily together in the shade of a rock in a peaceful part of the mountains. They had known each other since they were young, and didn't think their friendship was strange at all. One day, they had a silly argument. The tiger said, "The cold comes when the moon gets smaller from full to new." The lion disagreed, saying, "No, the cold comes when the moon gets bigger from new to full." Their argument grew louder, and they started calling each other names. Worried that their friendship might be ruined, they decided to ask a wise forest monk for help. They went to the monk and asked him who was right. The monk thought for a moment and then said, "It can be cold at any phase of the moon. It's the wind that brings the cold, not the moon. So, you're both right in your own way. The most important thing is to stay united and live in peace." The lion and the tiger thanked the monk and were happy to remain friends. The moral of the story is, weather changes, but true friendship lasts.